Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Creating a clean setup for coding in Python is essential for productivity, readability, and maintainability of your code. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the essentials of setting up your Python coding environment in 2023, including tools, best practices, and a simple code example. Step 1. Install Python. 1. Download Python. Go to the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads, and download the latest stable version, 3.x. To install, follow the installation instructions. Make sure to check the option Add Python to Path. Step 2. Choose an integrated development environment, IDE. Selecting a good IDE or code editor can significantly enhance your coding experience. Here are a few popular options. Visual Studio Code, vscode, a lightweight, powerful code editor with a plethora of extensions. pycharm, a full-featured IDE specifically designed for Python development. Jupyter Notebook, great for data science and interactive coding. For this tutorial, I'll focus on vscode since it's widely used. Setting up vscode. 1. Download and install vscode. Get it from the official website, https://code.visuals2dio.com. 2. Install Python extension. Launch vscode. Go to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side, and search for Python. Install the extension provided by Microsoft. 3. Set up linter and formatter. It's a good practice to have a linter, like pylint, and a formatter, like black, installed. 4. Configure VS Code settings. Open the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P, then type and select Preferences, open Settings, JSON. Add the following configuration for auto-formatting and linting. Step 3. Create a virtual environment. Using a virtual environment is a best practice to manage dependencies for your projects. 1. Create a virtual environment. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. 2. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows. On Mac OS/Linux. Step 4. Install necessary packages. For our example, let's install some packages. For instance, requests for making HTTP requests. Step 5. Write your code. Now that your environment is set up, let's write a simple Python script that makes a GET request to an API and processes the data. Create a file named main.py in your project directory and add the following code. Step 6. Run your code. Make sure your virtual environment is activated, then run your script. Step 7. Version control with Git. 1. Initialize Git. 2. Create a .gitinerary file to exclude the virtual environment and other unnecessary files. 3. Commit your changes. Conclusion. You now have a clean setup for coding in Python with a good IDE, a virtual environment, and basic code structure. This structure promotes best practices like dependency management and code readability. As you progress, consider exploring more advanced topics like testing, using ptest, documentation, using Sphinx, and deployment strategies, using Docker or cloud platforms. Happy coding!